Hi there, responsible citizens of India. You may be working in different callings. Your professions and occupations may be different. But the ultimate responsibility of the citizen of India is to maintain law and order, have love, affection, kindness, compassion in this country, never try to criticize anyone too much, always maintaining a harmonious relations among every people belonging to any caste, creed, race, religion. That is the ultimate goal. You might have differences of opinion, but the differences of opinion should be sorted out in amicable and peaceful solutions. The society should not go on war. Recently we have seen Republic TV and Kangana Ranaut. They are targeted by different media people, the film industries, even the courts, and even the different sections of the society, particularly the police of Maharashtra. I request all of you, even the respectable, honorable, different courts, police organizations, and noble citizens of this country, we should not create a civil war in this country. There are millions and millions, maybe some billion people supporting Republic TV and Kangana Ranaut. Sometimes they can speak something which is not that very correct, but they should also be very, very responsible when they are making some statements. We have not to create too much of frustration, which is really jeopardizing the peace, the prosperity, and the success and dreams of the visionary leaders of the country. Also, I want to add some beautiful points which Chidambaram has made, that 370 should be re-established. These kind of people really must be brought to book. They cannot talk anything, and they can really breathe peacefully and sleep well in the night. Anybody who is anti-national, anybody who talks against the Constitution of India, unity, integrity, sovereignty, he should be also bring to task. That is only my appeal. Be responsible. We all love each other. There is no reason that we should have hatred, jealousy, and cynical thoughts. Greed, anger should not be our basis to create harmony, to create disharmony, disturbing the peace and the progressive environment and conditions, which is very, very essential for the growth of the country. Thank you, viewers. Thank you very much. Unite for making Mother India great, fighting and breaking our norms and our fabrics of unity, integrity, humility will be never very good. Also, I appeal to the central government. Mr. Modi, you are very tolerant. You are the wisest man. You wait and wait and wait and patiently. But ultimately the law comes into action. Don't wait too much. Too much waiting is not good. I know you are a patriotic person. You love your motherland. But how much patience you want to show? Be very disciplined man. Bring these kind of culprits who want to break India, who want to divide India, to really in the streamline. Then only Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, and a new India, a self-reliant India dream will be fulfilled. I love everyone. I salute everyone. I respect everyone. I love everyone because that is the fabric of living together. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole earth is our family. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. Everyone has to be happy. That is really the fabrics through which we can establish harmony, peace, joy, happiness, and prosperity for everyone. Thank you very much, viewers.